Yeah, look at the space. Double decker. People do this a lot actually, so this is no biggie. I just got it in because I don't want it to get wet again. So, and you get dew obviously, and it basically just gets inside and wets it up. The whole thing needs cleaning, of course, but the carpet's actually dried because it's been in the workshop and the workshop's been warm. So the whole thing needs obviously needs cleaning, but that's not the point. Let's pull the bonnet. It was in the other way before, I think. Yeah, so these tools are going to go to Sierra Leone, maybe. There we go. So I can just put that on there. Oh, come on. That's it. There we go. Because these light fittings are fucked. Yeah, so they need redoing. And basically all the electrics are fucked inside. The heater just fucking turns on its own for no reason whatsoever. And you can see I've disconnected it somewhere. I think it's that one there, so that battery isn't connected, so it's actually dead at the moment on purpose. Yeah, but what I do need to do is basically get the wheels off, because they've got, I'm guessing it's brake binding, but it could be also the bearings themselves could be fucked. So yeah, anyway, it's in. Got a bit of space here to get in, so that's quite good. Yeah, it's a bit tight around here, but it's alright, you know. Put that back there. A bit more space here. Yeah. Obviously it can stay in here and just continue to dry out. That power pack's bust. Well, it's the transformer. I can't remember how much I paid for the transformers, but if you can get an entire like regulated power pack for probably the same price, then like what's the point? Why bother getting a transformer, you know, which keeps blowing up, when you can quite easily just get a power pack, which I have. You can get power packs for 40 quid, and I'm pretty sure that's how much I paid for that transformer. Anyway, I moved all my steel. I need a light here basically, don't I? Yeah. I mean, there's obviously plenty of light over there. There's that one up there. I actually have one, so it's a case of putting it, I guess. I need to put it up there. Somewhere down here. I don't know where I put it. There was a light down here somewhere. There it is, down there. So I just need to put that up. Yeah. Yep. So we've got exhaust on order. This guy here, well, the complete system basically. The back box, the midsection, and the cat. It's about £200 in all. Yeah. I'm not quite sure about these bolts because they're kind of multifaceted, like 16 corner or something. I don't know. So I might have to do a bit of research. They weren't like that on the other one, so I don't know if they've changed it. That's a bit strange, that. Yeah. But I'm basically going to be taking the whole thing off anyway, so I can just put some extra bolts in there. This one obviously I've got out now, and you can see I put the old bolt back in, the one with the knackered spring. I think it's this side, isn't it? This is the one with the knackered spring. So basically I've got some, I'm going to maybe order some, but I need to see the size. So yeah, I need to know what the sizes actually are. Huh, what a nonsense. I've got the other bolt, the original that the Franken bolt that I made. There it is there. Yeah, still got the original Franken bolt. So I need to basically have that thread plus the shank and a spring. You can buy bolts like this. They might not be the right thread, but you can get them, the springs, for it's like about £7, you know, and then just take the spring, because if you buy the springs separately, they're 15. Each spring is £15, but But if you buy a set of bolts with the springs on them, it's £7 for the set. So you could just buy them, you know, and then throw away the bolts and keep the springs. It's interesting. Anyway, I'm going to see what size it is so I can get some more.